Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received these RGB wall lamps for reviewing purposes. It's a set of two wall lamps that you can control via remote control, which I think that it's excellent. You can install them into your wall without having to wear them as they are rechargeable, okay? These are the proper main units light. This is the lamp shape, okay? And we have the main body right here. As you can see, it's this black color one, and I think that's gonna be really nice to place them wherever you need them. I'm gonna place them besides mirror, and I think that they're gonna look really beautiful. As I've said, it's a pack of two, and they've come with the remote control, cables, and each piece that we're gonna need to do the proper installation, which I think that it's great. Okay, these are the two main units with, as you can see, the lights. You can change the colors depending of how you like it and how you prefer it. You can set it up on different occasions depending of what you need, which I think that it's great. We also have in here the instruction manual with all important information about this lamp, all the different buttons of the remote control, which I think that it's nice. It's a simple remote control with different adjustments that we can use, which I think that it's going to be really nice. So let's go ahead and start installing them, and let's see how they look. Come on. Okay guys, as you can see, the proper installation process is actually really easy, and it doesn't take that much long. All the instructions are really clear, and what I like about these lamps is that you can place them wherever you need, as they don't need to be wired, which I think that it's excellent to place them wherever you need them. Okay guys, as you can see, they are already installed, and I think that they're nice because we can set it up with different colors. We can set it up for warm white, neutral white, or cold white. We can set it up so that we turn up the intensity of both of them. We can lower it down if we need it. I think that it's really nice. As you can see, we can set it up for smooth changing mode. It will change the colors really slowly in a smooth way, or we can set it up for a flashy way. As you can see, we have RGB selection of many different colors if we need it, which I think that it's great. And we can set it up from 30 minutes up to 120 minutes of continuous use, and they will turn off automatically, which I think that they are really nice. You can have it like this besides your mirror or wherever you need them. And overall, I think that they are really nice. As you can see, they are basically just installed the bases upon the wall. You don't need to do any wiring. They are battery operated, which I think that it's great. And overall, because they were really nice, I will really recommend them. See you guys.